Hello, my name's Ethan Shulman. Welcome to my video today. I'm going to show you how to generate blue noise images and volumes using this online tool I made. You'll want to go to zalos.com, blue noise image generator, or zalos.com/o/blue noise. I'll also have the link to this in the description. So right away, you'll be able to click generate with the default options, and it'll generate you a grayscale blue noise texture. Size is the image resolution. Sigma is used in the energy calculation, and density is also used. Sigma and density are what you're going to want to change how the blue noise looks. Seed is the random generation seed, so changing that will change the blue noise texture. Format is the most important part of this. Grayscale, RGB, RGBA, byte array, int array, float array, double array are all image formats. If you export in these, you'll export 2D images. Byte array, int array, and float array and double array are designed so that you can easily just copy the data values into your code. If you see it exports an array of numbers, this is designed so you can just copy it into your code as a float array or whatever. Now, the most powerful part of this is the n dimension format. This allows you to do 3D, 4D, and any dimensional blue noise. So if you do count 3 here, that'll do a 3-dimensional. This will give you the option of saving as raw text or saving as raw binary files. So this way you can either add that into your code directly, or you can load the file itself. If you're interested in how this is generated, it has a link to the algorithm and the source code here. I hope this is useful to somebody. I hope everyone has a good day.